Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to copy a text from an image, if it's JPEG or PNG. Okay, I'm gonna show you an example here. I got this file here. This file is in JPEG, as you can see here. So I wanna copy this text. As you can see here, right now, I can't do nothing. So I'm going to use a AI tool called DeepSeek. Okay. So it's a Chinese AI tool, as you can see it here. This is the website. Okay, you go to DeepSeek and you come to this icon here, and then you select the image you want. You can also drop it like this. Okay, as you can see here, it's uploading the picture with a text on it. You're gonna wait, pending. I start facing it. Okay, you can just click on this button here or press enter on your keyboard. As you can see here, they say extract only text from image and files. Gonna press. Now it's busy. As you can see, it's already done. Very fast. It's the text here. You can see it also even summarize it. See? See? Okay, it's very simple. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.